Firefighter Lobstrom, how can I help you? Okay, what is the earliest you can?
This is the command and control hub for all the sporting venues that are going throughout the National Capital Region. It's an effort with our federal, state, and local partners so that we maintain situational awareness of the games, maintain the safety and security of all the visitors that are visiting here, participating, or just being part of spectator crowd at the games. We've been planning for the safety and security of the games for the past year and a half now. Lengthy process that starts with training, training of the workforce, training of those that are going to be directly involved in the safety and security component of the games. The way the Games Operations Center is set up is that in that center we have different functional areas, people with different disciplines regarding functions of the games. We've had minor situations where we, safety and security, have come in to assist to correct or bring to the attention maybe inappropriate behavior of people, and they immediately comply. We have very compliant spectators that are here for the games. We are at the phase that we are, at the implementation phase, and we've gotten here because of all the assistance that we, in essence, have received from our federal and state partners. We prepare for every conceivable contingency that may occur within the games, whether it's a broken leg or a broken finger, all the way to a terroristic attack. So we've got to prepare for all those contingencies. So far, so good. It has been a real good success. We have been able to respond to whatever has come our way. We had the rain, for example, on the first couple of days that the games began. Rescheduling, making sure that people were appropriately shifted, people notified that the games, certain games, outdoor venues were canceled. The sharing of information and ensuring